The weather is perfect outside, grey, dark and gloomy. There seem to be no people outside, so less chance of human contact, just the way I like it. Let me head to the supermarket in order to pick up a few essential groceries. But let me be productive, clean up this room and make my bed first. Or I will rather save time now on my way out and get to it later first thing when I get back. That is perfectly okay. What? Who are you? Why are you trying to stop me and what do you want?
It does not matter who I am. I think what is more important is knowing who you are and what it is that you want. You need to stop doing things and living a type of life that makes you feel ashamed. Focus only on doing the things that make you feel strong. Do only those things that you can speak of with honor. You are staring into the abyss without knowing, and it is staring right back at you. You cannot spend all of your days in bed, consumed by adult entertainment, doom scrolling, simping and covered with Cheeto dust in a room smelling like hand lotion. Always stand up straight with your shoulders back. Always remember to walk tall and gaze always forthrightly ahead, my son. Encourage the serotonin to flow plentifully. I therefore encourage you to start with yourself. Take care of yourself. Redefine yourself. Reinvent yourself. I recommend that you start by cleaning your room. There is more that you can offer the world and demand from it, my son.